Yeah, you have. You've had plenty. That's better.
Yeah.
You gotta watch the ball though, not me.
Yeah, first I take off
Ready?
here,
Elbow up.
and then I swing it like that.
Yeah, get that elbow up.
And then I turn
Hey,
it
look,
down.
you're standing on the plate. Crowd the plate, man. You know what happens when you crowd the plate? Pitcher does this.
Ow. Don't do that.
Give you a little chin music. Get you out the plate. Lazy! Come on, man.
Sorry.
Come on, swing that bat. Swing it like you're mad at the ball.
Sorry, Tackle. I'm sorry, Tackle. Call you a Tackle, Dad. Yes. Sorry, lazy Tackle. I got.
Oh, get back there. Get elbow up. Watch the ball.
What?
Keep your eye on the ball.
I was that.
You're looking at Daddy the whole time.
And then
Ready?
I got angry at.
That's a bad pitch.
Yeah, we did a pad pitch.
Okay,
I
get back there.
the way that our head like.
Ready?
Here's a pitcher, hitter.
That's a hit.
Base hit.
What's this one?
You like to pull him a lot too. That's how Daddy used to hit. Daddy
What's
used to pull
this
the ball.
one?
I haven't seen you hit one over there. That's good.
What's
Ready?
this one?
You're looking at me.
Well, I was looking